Hi dear customers, this is our button polishing machine. So now it's moving, it's a weaving function. We also has the function without weaving, and now the function with weaving and 180 turning. So now let's show to you which products you can polish in this button. Okay, the button space can polish in by this machine very well, and we have the different function. For example, now we are doing the 180-degree and 2 times for polishing. For this machine, if you want to adjust the polishing distance, you can loosen this screw and adjust it. Also, for this machine, you can adjust the speed. So now we set up 2 times polishing, so it's finishing the job. If you want to do just by 90-degree polishing or 0-degree polishing, also can be for this machine. This machine is special for the button polishing. Okay, and now let's go to see here. This machine is a special good for polishing this part, this puller and the body and the slider. Okay, so this is a good for polishing this one. By this machine, for the puller and the slider body, by this machine, okay, it's not turning 360. It's just go up and go inside and outside like this way. So if you are interested for such these machines, you are welcome to contact us. Thank you.